Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can mask image in Shortcuts. So to do that, you're just going to select the plus button here and you're going to go to add action and go to media. Once you are in media, you're going to scroll down until you find image editing. Go to mask image and you are going to select copy on a photo in your gallery. And you are going to go to clipboard. Then you're just going to select the shape you want. Then you're just going to select the play button on the bottom right corner. You can then press the share button to save it to your gallery. And that is basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!